G'day, I'm Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty in Hervey Bay. We're here today at a lovely home, 26 Petrel Avenue in the popular Bayside suburb of River Heads. As usual, there's a bit to take in. Let's go take a look around. This lovely home is enviably set on an elevated 805 square metre allotment in the popular Bayside suburb of River Heads. This is where you'll enjoy the lifestyle that comes with being only minutes away from the River Heads boat ramp and ferry services to World Heritage listed K'gari, Fraser Island. You can launch your boat and access the Great Sandy Straits, Mary and Susan Rivers, which are a prawning, fishing and crabbing paradise. All that, and you've got the convenience of being only minutes away from the local convenience stores and a short drive into the thriving heart of the Hervey Bay CBD and essential amenities, including the airport shopping precinct, boat club and marina, the iconic Urangan Pier, shopping centres, schools, hospitals, golf course, cafes, restaurants, esplanade and the beach. This well-maintained, block-rendered home was built in 2003 and has been completely repainted and refurbished throughout, and features new floor coverings, stylish plantation shutters, light fittings and ceiling fans, leaving nothing to do but enjoy your new lifestyle. Upon entering the expansive, completely tiled front veranda, you are greeted by a vast open plan living and dining area, which also includes the kitchen and features reverse cycle split system air conditioning for year-round comfort. The stylish new kitchen features beautiful stone bench tops and an island bench with breakfast bar, offering loads of preparation and storage space plus a pantry. New quality appliances include a large 900mm induction cooktop with a range hood, an oven and a dishwasher, plus you've got plumbing provision for refrigerators with water filters and ice makers. Stepping outside, you've got that expansive covered outdoor entertaining area with shade blinds that even offer a sea glimpse across the Great Sandy Strait towards K'gari, Fraser Island. This area also wraps around the northern end of this home, where you've got a large shade sail covered outdoor entertaining deck and barbecue area. This is where you'll enjoy your morning cuppa with the first light of each day and a cool beverage of an afternoon while basking in Hervey Bay's year-round subtropical temperate climate. This home includes 2 spacious bedrooms, both with brand new ceiling fans, split system air conditioning and built-in wardrobes. The bathroom has been completely renovated and features floor-to-ceiling tiles, a vanity and a toilet. The European style laundry is also integrated into the bathroom and includes great storage space. But wait, there's more. You've also got that large approximate 13 by 8 metre shed with power and water connected. One half of the shed has been completely lined as a studio with split system air conditioning and includes a kitchenette, a partitioned room and a bathroom with shower, vanity and toilet. This will be perfect for accommodating those unexpected friends who are sure to arrive once they know you're living in beautiful Hervey Bay. It would also make a fantastic home office or an arts and crafts space. The other half of the shed includes 2 vehicle bays with roller doors and features built-in storage shelving and a workbench. You also have a tandem length shade sail carport to the side of the home and a remote entry gate to the front. The energy conscious will appreciate the approximate 3.2 kilowatt solar power system, and there's also an approximate 3,000 litre rainwater tank with a pump to keep those established low maintenance gardens watered. This charming home does even offer sea glimpses out there across the Great Sandy Straits towards K'gari, Fraser Island, and of course we've got that fantastic studio. So homes offering these features are always in high demand. Don't miss this opportunity. Call me now, Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty. You'll only be disappointed if you miss this one.